whenever you learn cha-cha-cha, of course, now you know your side chasse. You go cha-cha-cha, side, cha-cha-cha. Number one question now we have to ask ourselves, footwork. What is a normal footwork for Latin dance? It's like this: toe, ball, heel. Toe, so when we drag our foot on the floor, we have a toe, then we have ball, heel. Remember, like how you dance, we always tell you with Zachary, oh, no heel lead. Because the natural walk, if you walk on the street, is going to be like this: heel, ball, heel, ball. So, but in dancing, it's slightly different. It's going to be toe, ball, then heel. And that's already make dance look so pretty. Toe, ball, heel. And because cha-cha or rumba or samba, everything is the walks, the way we do walks is extremely important. The same backward. Toe, then we have ball, heel. We have toe, ball, heel. So this is like our general rule. But when we do chasse, its rule slightly changed. So it's going to be ball of the foot on cha, ball of the foot on other cha. So we have like two heel up. Now push from your left leg, and we have a toe, ball, heel on the way out. So you go ball, ball, and here in a way like a toe, ball, heel, or ball, heel. So cha is ball, 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 heel, footwork. And then only after we understand footwork, we can add a little bit hip pendulum, compression, rotation, all the body actions, all the fun. Got it? So when we're going forward and back, footwork. What is the footwork? Toe, ball, heel. Now only ball of the foot, because this is called Latin cross position. So put like this, more stronger, ball of the foot. That's why your shoes has to be like quite flexible. Now keep ball of the foot behind, push from it, put slight weight, and go forward, toe, ball, heel. Toe, ball, heel. So you cannot from here do this, flat. It has to go toe, ball, heel. Why? Because toe, ball, heel is our default, meaning our main action. Okay, so let's go like step, footwork. Toe, ball, heel, ball of the foot, toe, ball, heel. Let's do the same on the other leg. Toe, ball, heel on the first step, ball of the foot on the Latin cross with the slight softening of the legs, toe, ball, heel on the way out. And the same backward. Is we're going to go backward, cha-cha-cha. You have toe, now only ball of the foot, no heel. If we do cha-cha-cha, ball. Now the foot comes in, toe, ball, heel, cha, Latin cross, this way, never here. And then we go back, toe, ball, heel on the way out. Yeah, and just finish like this. Don't worry, yeah. Give me a little bit connection. Now go toe, ball, no heel, okay? Toe, ball, heel, exit, toe, ball, heel, cha-cha-cha. Toe, ball, heel, toe, ball, heel, cha-cha-cha. Footwork, okay? And then the next, we're gonna go through all the basics together. So I would recommend for you to start like this. You're going rock, step, and now cha-cha-cha, ball, ball, toe, ball, heel, cha-cha-cha, side, rock, step, cha-cha, then forward and back, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, back, 3, cha-cha. So the third step I would do is a 3 cha-cha forward and 3 cha-cha back, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, cha-cha, 2, cha-cha, and 3 cha-cha back, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, cha-cha, 2, cha-cha, 3. So the next step I would try probably is we're going to be hockey stick. You go rock, step, cha-cha, front, like step forward, go walk, walk, and now walk, pivot, cha-cha back, cha-cha back with the beautiful arms now. Rock, step, cha-cha-cha, walk, walk, cha-cha-cha. And another one is, I would not include it in the routine because it travels too much, but I would include it into practice. It's simple progressive cha-cha, which means walk, walk, cha-cha-cha. So you do rock, step, cha-cha-cha. And now you're going to go the most important for you. Walk, walk, cha-cha-cha. Go. Walk, walk, cha-cha-cha, walk, walk, cha-cha-cha. The same backward. Rock, step, cha-cha-cha, walk, walk, cha-cha-cha, walk, walk, cha-cha-cha, rock, step, cha-cha-cha. Excellent. Very good. Now let's do, knowing all the steps, and remember we did like also hip twist around the, let's do some cool choreography together. So for example, what you can do knowing that, you can go rock, step, cha, 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 then you can go twist, walk, walk, and here almost like a rande shasa, and for men hip twist shasa, cha, cha, fan. So it's going to be a fan position. So see, once you get here, you go almost like a rande, cha, cha, one, and you get in a beautiful fan position. And for the men, we have a hip twist shasa, hip twist shasa. Okay, let's go. And rock, step, cha, 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 and walk, walk, cha, cha, cha. Very good. Now do fan closing, rock, step, cha, 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 walk, hockey stick, cha, cha, 3 cha, cha, rock, step, cha, cha, 1, cha, cha, 2, cha, cha, 3. Then we go underarm turn, rock, step, cha, 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 rock, step. And here, hip twist